All right, guys. So let's just finish this thing out with a overview of everything we just talked about it, just to simplify it down into a few minutes here. Um, so what would I do if I could do it all over again? If you were just getting into cryptocurrency, I would take $200 and I would put it in the Abra exchange. I would download the Abra app, and like I said, put $200 in to start, just so you can get familiar with it. There's enough cryptocurrencies just within that you can easily invest in to get your feet wet. When you felt a little more comfortable, I might throw another 800,000 bucks in or something, whatever you can afford as the crow flies. And what cryptocurrencies would I push? If it came between Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would push Ethereum. It's currently trading in that $500-$600 range, and you don't, obviously, if you've never bought cryptocurrency, you don't, it doesn't go by, you don't have to buy a whole share or coin. You percents is kind of how it works. You can buy 15% of an Ethereum coin, which would be, whatever that would be. So, but as far as altcoins, Ripple is still considered an altcoin. I would push Ripple. I'd push Stellar. I'd push Doge. I'd push Encash. I'd push Cardano. I'd push Tron. I'd push Neo. And that would be enough within that. And, my personal suggestion, I'd be a long-term holder, 5 years minimum. I wouldn't sell, even if we had an insane bull run and your cryptocurrency was however many times multiplied. Do what you will. One thing I gotta finish this whole Udemy course off on is I am not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form. I'm not your dad. I'm not telling you to do something. My name's Chris, and I'm just giving you advice and suggestions, and you can follow them if you want. I'm not pointing you in any direction. I am not a millionaire, and I'm not like I said, financial expert or anything at all. So, disclaimer: you do your own research and make your own investment with your own mind. Think about things. You know what I mean? So, being that this whole course is just my opinion and my thoughts, and we're just having a conversation about cryptocurrency, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. I wouldn't get involved in mining. I would stick to the cryptocurrencies I mentioned. If you want to wait a little bit for the Abra exchange to kind of broaden out a bit more, I would forget Coinbase and jump right into the Gemini exchange. The Gemini exchange, you can get your Ethereum there. And then if it came between Bittrex and Binance, if I were you, I would set up on Binance. That's what I originally did. And send your Ethereum over there and buy your altcoins with that and keep it in that wallet until, if you have invested over $200, so consider getting a Ledger Nano. They kind of look like a USB card. You kind of know what they are. They can be formatted to hold pretty much any cryptocurrency, altcoins, all that stuff, but you have to download the wallet onto the Ledger. They don't come, sometimes they'll come in stock with, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and sometimes Ripple, but you're going to want to keep that up to date. In the future, definitely, in fact, I do that right now if I were you, download the Robinhood app and get signed up for that crypto. If you're within those 5 states, you can buy your Ethereum right there and just hold it right in there. If you were just to go with Bitcoin or Ethereum, that's what I would do, actually, if you're within those states. But chances are you're probably not. And you obviously have to live in America, I believe, to be able to do that as of right now. But as the Robinhood app market opens up, it's going to be a huge broadening for people to be able to just simply hop on their phones and buy it right there. Because here's how the market's evolved. It's you can't just have an exchange. you need a wallet within your exchange. That's how the market's transferred. Everyone wants their stuff into one. Because when I first started, I was on Binance, or I was on Coinbase, then I had to buy it there, and then transfer it over to Binance, then hold it there, and then transfer it into a wallet. Now, you can just buy it on Robinhood. You can just buy it on Cadabra, or Abra. I'm sorry, not Cadabra, Abra. And it's all right there. You got your exchange, you got your wallet, and it's secure. Most of these have a, what is it? I can't remember. It's like a Abbey security. It uses your phone. You're going to have to supply 2 authentication access passwords. So these things are very secure. Can they be hacked? You better believe it. I believe anything that is online of any kind can be hacked. It's just a matter of time. And if you're one of those people that has a lot invested, I would consider investing in, like I said, some kind of hold in your hand kind of wallet. They have many, 2 or 3 different kinds that I would suggest. Go on Amazon, do your own research, look at the reviews on them. And a 4-star to 5-star is what I would suggest. But if you invest $50, I wouldn't recommend getting one of those, because it's like, say you bought a bunch of something and you were going to hold it in a box. You don't want the box to be worth more than the jewelry or whatever you have inside. Make sure your cryptocurrency is worth the investment of your wallet.